Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Welcome to our video on the AWS Cloud Development Kit, or AWS CDK. This powerful open-source framework revolutionizes how we define and provision cloud infrastructure. By allowing developers to use code for infrastructure definition, AWS CDK seamlessly integrates with AWS CloudFormation for efficient resource deployment. At its core, AWS CDK comprises two essential components. First, we have the AWS CDK Construct Library, a comprehensive collection of reusable code components. These constructs significantly simplify the process of building AWS applications by abstracting away much of the complexity involved in defining and integrating various AWS services. The second key component is the AWS CDK Command Line Interface, or CLI. This tool serves as your primary means of interaction with CDK applications. It provides a suite of commands that enable you to create, manage, and deploy your projects with ease, streamlining your workflow from development to production. One of the most compelling aspects of AWS CDK is its language support. It allows developers to leverage their existing programming skills by supporting a wide range of popular languages. Whether you're proficient in TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Java, C.A.NET, or Go, you can use your preferred language to manage infrastructure as code. This approach to infrastructure management brings numerous benefits. It enhances flexibility, allowing you to adapt your infrastructure quickly to changing requirements. It improves reliability by enabling version control and automated testing of your infrastructure code. And it boosts scalability, making it easier to replicate and modify your infrastructure as your needs grow. By bridging the gap between application development and infrastructure management, AWS CDK empowers developers to take a more holistic approach to building and deploying cloud applications. It's a powerful tool that's changing the landscape of cloud resource management, making it more accessible and efficient for developers of all backgrounds. And that's it for now. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.